Hi, welcome to this quick tutorial on how you can see your favorites in Roblox. So open up the Roblox website either from your mobile device or on your PC, and then click on your name right here in the top right corner. Okay, from here, when you're taken to your profile, if you scroll all the way down, as you can see, you will see your favorites right here, favorite games. But if you wanna see your favorite accessories, you have to click this favorites button right here, and it will show you all of your favorite accessories, animations, so on and so forth. Now there is another way of doing this. It is very simple. I'm just going to go to the home page of Roblox here. Then I'm going to click on my name again. And as you can see, we have users, my ID /profile, and all you have to do is change /profile to /favorites. And then press enter, and it will take you to your favorites tab right here. Leave a like and subscribe if this helped you out. I will see you guys and girls next time. Bye.